Hello my PU2 champions, welcome back to our channel Deeksha Karnataka. Today I am here to help you in your preparation of PU2 FA2 exam, right? So very simple, many of you have already given this FA2, means for your school, for your college the FA2 is over. So I hope you did well in that. I hope you have got good results in that. But for others who are still preparing for it, you still have FA2, this video becomes very important. For example, you have exam tomorrow or maybe in this week, in next few days, and you don't have time to learn all the questions and all the concepts at one time. So this is the solution for that particular problem of yours, how to study and from where to study. For that I have made this video, and if you follow this much very clearly, you can easily score 30+ marks in your FA2 PU2 exam. Is it clear? Yes, follow these questions and you can easily score 30+ okay, for your maths. Now I have named it as question bank. Why question bank? Because this is a kind of question bank that is given by my side, which will help you score these marks. So let's start the session right now. For that, what you have, first thing is your MCQs. Very important. Usually MCQs are coming two. I think there are two MCQs from the chapter of integration, but here I have given many more. Again, these are from your question bank. So questions are very much relevant. I have hand-picked these questions from your question bank that you can use and actually scored marks from here. Check it out over here. If you are in a rush, you can just take a screenshot right now. Otherwise, you will get the PDF available in your WhatsApp community. I hope you know that. Okay, so check this out. Over here we have this list of questions of MCQs from the integrals. You can see the questions on directly basis of, so if you want to solve questions of integration in MCQs, the questions will be of directly on the formula basis or use of one step of substitution method to get the result. Please check. Okay, next. Over here, a few more questions in the MCQ side of integration. You can check over here. You can divide it, get the results. I've solved all these questions for you. Okay, and not only I'm here to give you the question list, I've also given a detailed solution of all these questions. You can go and check that session as well. Okay, where I've talked about all the questions in detail. I've given you detailed solution as per your latest syllabus, latest way of writing the answer in your boards. Okay, next. Differential equation, again the list of questions are there. Over here the questions will come of two types. One is going to be the order and degree, okay, and second will be your finding the integrating factor in the MCQ side. Okay, you can check here, the first few are only on order and degree, and the last questions is on the finding the what is it, based upon the number of arbitrary constant, what is the number of derivatives, and basically also finding the integrating factor. That also can come over here. Okay, next will be your 3D geometry, the questions MCQ on 3D geometry. You have the categories over here, writing the DCs, DRs of different questions, relation between DC and DR. We have learned all the formulas. Again, I have taught all these questions in a session. You can go and check that out as well. So these are the question list. If you want to solve from your side, you can do that. Take a screenshot and download the notes as per your convenience and time at hand. You can check this out. MCQs on 3D geometry. Next, you have one last question in the 3D geometry based upon the angle relation. Okay, you take the product of A1, A2 like that and check the condition for perpendicular and parallel lines and all. So these are the questions on subjective category, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker. Here are the question list from your question bank, again hand picked based upon your property. Check here. Different integral property is there. Then we have again 1 plus sine 6x. We have, what is this, substitution method. Okay, then we have the property of e power x fx f dash of x. We have this as again substitution method. Over here we have partial fractions and few more questions on the integration side, okay, with the substitution method is question number 59, and the last two are the most important problems over here. One is on the property to be proven property of definite integral, and one more question is on the what is it, the partial fraction proof, and based upon that there's a question to be solved. Okay, we use what, the forming the perfect square over here to get the result of that question. I hope you know that. I have solved all these problems. Don't worry, come back in the session and check that out. Okay, if you want, we can give you a link for the session in this description itself. Okay, next you have application of integrals. Here the questions are very much limited and we're gonna stick to that only. We'll not try to distract ourselves, we'll not try to work too much about the things. Only these three types of questions. If you want more, you can use modulus questions as well, but these three are the most important ones as per your PYQs and everything. Questions on the ellipse, sine and cos x. There can be a question on the circle also. Then we have combination of parabola with a straight line to identify the area which is involved there, whether it is with y-axis or x-axis. In this case we have a y-axis question. We can also have a x-axis question as well. Okay, this is the three types of question that can come in your exam in FA2 from the chapter application of integrals. Next, in the differential equations, we again have questions on homogeneous differential equation. We have questions from your LDE and the particular solution. These are the ones where you get stuck in. Others are very simple. The variable separable approach methods are very simple. The only two things is homogeneous differential equation and linear differential equation. The questions on the particular solutions are the major ones. So do not forget to revise them and solve the list of questions given over here. Okay. Next, in 3D geometry, we have one proof. Remember, proof of a line through a space. We are looking in both Cartesian and vector form. Then we have to find shorter distance. That is also a very good question. Angle between the lines also is a very good question. So you have to practice these sums mentioned over here on the screen for your preparation of 3D geometry. Okay. So this is the list of questions that I've come with to help you out to get easily 30+ marks in your FA2 maths. And for all of you, I hope you all know we have launched a PU2 full-time crash course. Okay, just to help you get that 90+ score very easily. It's a target 90+ course. It is live right now. Students have already enrolled. But you, if you have missed out, you got to enroll right now, because sir, it is very important to get a good marks in PU2, to get a good rank in KCET. You have a very important part, which is PU2, an easy part as well. So we cannot lose marks in PCMB of your PU2 examination. And in this crash course that we have brought, it is having computer science as well as your Kannada as well available in the course, and the price is going to be only 999, means 1,000 rupees for the entire crash course. We have given the link of the crash course in the video's description. Go ahead, check it out and enroll right away for preparing serious preparation of your PU2 boards examination. Is very crucial for us. We have very less time. We got to be very much effective right now, and that's why the crash course is here to help you in that part. Okay, so this is it in the session. I'm going to see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.